When it comes to professional video editing, two names dominate the conversation: Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro. Both are industry leaders. Both power some of the biggest channels and studios in the world. And both offer creative control at a professional level. But they cater to slightly different creators, especially when you factor in the Mac and PC divide. Let's break down how they compare and which one might be the best paid non-linear editor for your setup. Adobe Premiere Pro is the definition of flexibility. It runs on both Mac and PC, and it is part of the larger Adobe Creative Cloud ecosystem. That means it integrates seamlessly with After Effects, Photoshop, Audition, and other tools many creators already use. The interface is familiar, modular, and highly customizable. You can arrange panels, color grade directly in the Lumetri workspace, and edit everything from short-form content to feature-length productions. Premiere Pro supports nearly every format and codec you can think of, which makes it ideal for teams or freelancers working across multiple platforms. Its timeline editing feels precise and powerful, with advanced trimming tools, multicam support, and keyframe control that give editors complete creative freedom. Final Cut Pro, on the other hand, is Apple's premium editing software built exclusively for Mac users. It takes full advantage of Apple's hardware, offering lightning-fast performance and incredible optimization. Editing feels smooth and responsive, even with large 4K or 8K files. The magnetic timeline is one of its signature features. It automatically keeps everything in sync, making editing fast and intuitive. For creators who work solo or produce a lot of content quickly, that speed can make a huge difference. Final Cut Pro also includes advanced color grading, motion graphics tools, and professional audio editing, all in one purchase with no ongoing subscription fees. When it comes to stability and speed, Final Cut Pro often wins, especially on modern Macs with M-series chips. The rendering and export times are noticeably faster compared to many other editors. However, because it is Mac only, PC users will need to look elsewhere. In the end, both deliver exceptional editing power. Premiere Pro is the best all-around choice for cross-platform creators and collaborative teams. Final Cut Pro is the best choice for solo Mac users who want professional speed and performance without the subscription. Either way, both are proven tools trusted by top creators, and the right one for you depends entirely on where and how you love to create.